Is it true? You've been feeling sort of low these days. Just don't have a place to go these days. Must bring you down. If it's so, then come on, give this lover boy a try. I'll put the spark right back in your eyes. What goes you lose? Go for one.